The fifth step in graphing rational functions is to find any vertical asymptotes. Vertical asymptotes is something that we've talked about briefly before, but they are imaginary vertical lines. We draw them as dotted lines that the graph gets very, very close to, but cannot touch. To find these, after you factor and cancel, you will set the denominator equal to 0 and solve. Be careful because a lot of these steps are very, very similar. In other words, to be able to find domain, I know I'm supposed to set my denominator equal to 0 and solve. To find vertical asymptotes, these also have to do with the denominator, but only after you've tried to factor and cancel the original function. So in this example that we've been looking at, let's look at the factored form of our problem. By now we know x plus 3, x minus 2, x plus 3, and x plus 2. The x plus 3's would cancel, and then that would leave me in the denominator an x plus 2. So in this case, to find the vertical asymptotes, I would set the x plus 2 equal to 0 and solve. So I'd subtract the 2 over, and I would have x equals negative 2. This is the correct format for my answer, and usually I abbreviate vertical asymptote as VA. It will be a vertical dotted line specifically passing through x is equal to negative 2 on my graph.